Moral story: Finding courage in quiet moments. In a small village, there lived a young man named Ahmed. To everyone around him, he appeared brave and confident, but deep inside, he was full of fear. To hide his weakness, he often made jokes, laughed loudly, and acted fearless in front of people. The villagers believed he was strong, yet when Ahmed was alone, his heart trembled with worries and insecurities. One day, the village elder called Ahmed and said, "My son, true courage is not found in noise or in front of others. True courage is in those quiet moments when you face your own fears." These words struck Ahmed. He decided to test himself. He went to stay alone in an old hut near the forest for a few days, determined to confront his fears. That night, as darkness spread, fear gripped him. Every sound felt louder. When a branch cracked or the wind shook the trees, his heart pounded. But Ahmed refused to give up. He closed his eyes and whispered to his heart, "I will not surrender to fear. God is with me." That was the turning point of his life. The more he prayed and repeated words of faith, the lighter his fear became. By morning, he walked out of the hut as a new Ahmed, calm, strong, and full of courage. He had learned that bravery wasn't about pretending in front of people, but about defeating fear in silence. Later, when villagers came to him for advice, Ahmed would smile and say, "My friends, courage is not found in loud places. It is born in those quiet moments when you refuse to be broken by your own fears." Moral of the story: quiet moments reveal our inner strength. Real courage is facing and defeating our fears when no one is watching.